have a set of luggage from level 8, and actually stay tuned because I have a gift for you. But now I have to pack for a month of traveling. I'm glad that we are leaving London because the weather is very not nice, I would say.
It's actually the first time that we are gonna travel and we have a one-way ticket. We are not actually sure when we're gonna come back, so it's gonna be probably at least a month, probably 2 of traveling. So
our first stop is Turkey. Of course, it's not very warm, but we are going to Turkey to see my mom. I'm going to see her after 2 years, and also then later my sister and my niece and my nephew will join us. And it's really hard to pack because then we are going to Asia, which is hot. So we had to pack for cold weather and warm weather. Luckily, we had the new set of luggage, and we are so happy, and they are very spacious and very good quality, and we are happy to try them in this trip. And you can have the same set too. 15% discount is my gift to you. The link is in the description, and you can get my discount code again in the description.
this luggage actually has an anti-scratch technology, so we're gonna test it out today, and it's actually good to have the black ones because mine are actually pretty dirty now. It's embarrassing to walk around with them.
The fact is, when we booked the flight to Istanbul, we booked the flight and we chose the time based on my mom's flight. We kind of organized everything and we wanted to arrive at the same time. But the fact is, by now we should have been on our plane, but it has delayed for 2 hours and I don't know how to find my mom when I arrived there, because the plan was like, okay, we meet each other at the passport control and then we go together. But now I don't know, we are stuck in London. At least we came to the lounge and we are sitting here and it's very busy and crowded. So that's another thing about flying, and you never know, you can have delay all the time. Next to each other and no one literally sitting next to us, and we're going to watch movies for 4 hours. And I know that my mom left Tehran, so her flight didn't have any delay. Hopefully she can entertain herself and everything's fine. It took us ages to get out of the plane, and if you've been to Istanbul airport, you know that it's really huge. Anyway, we got here and we are waiting for our bags, and I just called my mom and she was just sitting in a prayer room and I found her. So that's it. And still we are waiting for our bags. I told you we escaped the UK weather, but actually since we arrived it's raining and never stopped. And actually in the morning it was snowing and we were just staying in the hotel, and I was having a chat with my mom for hours and hours. But now we decided to go to the town. Actually we are in Bursa, not far from Istanbul, maybe just 1 hour or 2 hours from Istanbul. And Bursa is home to the longest cable car in Turkey. And now we are going up to the mountain.